Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series. And today we are making monkey bread. If you are not familiar with monkey bread, it is basically a bread dough that is pulled into pieces that is covered with caramel and cinnamon. So of course I would love it. So let's get started.
We'll start out with our ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 generous cup or about 250 milliliters of warm water, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon sugar, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1 cup or 150 grams of chopped walnuts, which are optional. Add sugar and yeast to the warm water to activate the yeast. Add some flour as well as salt and yeast mixture to a large mixing bowl and stir it together. Then add more flour until the mixture comes together into a soft but not sticky dough. I actually made a mistake here by adding all of the rest of the flour because I didn't need all of the flour. It can vary a bit exactly how much you need. So once I couldn't knead any more flour into the dough, I took it out of the bowl and allowed it to rise for an hour. Once the dough has risen, stir the cinnamon into the brown sugar and melt the butter. Then I took pieces of dough about ping pong ball sized and dip it in butter and roll it in brown sugar and press a few nuts into it and place it into a bundt cake pan. Do this with pieces of dough until you use all the dough. I actually didn't quite use all the butter, sugar, and nuts, but that's if you want to use a lot. Once you've got all of the bread in, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. And I sprinkled some more nuts on top. After it is baked, place a plate or a board on top of the pan and flip the bread over. The bread should fall right out of the pan. This bread is sweet and sticky and amazingly delicious. It's perfect for a party or large gathering for several people to share. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.